Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're getting into vinyl records and want a turntable that's simple, affordable, and easy to use, the Audio-Technica AT LP60X GM is definitely worth a look. This is a fully automatic belt drive turntable designed with beginners in mind. That means you don't have to manually position the tone arm every time you want to play a record. Just select your record size and press start, and the turntable handles the rest. It supports both 33 and 1/3 and 45 revolutions per minute records, so you can play a wide variety of vinyl in your collection. One of the biggest advantages is its simplicity. You get a built-in phono preamp, so connecting the turntable to compatible powered speakers or an amplifier is straightforward. And if you already have a vinyl collection, this makes getting started much less complicated. Pause. Audio-Technica also uses an anti-resonance die-cast aluminum platter, designed to provide stable record playback while helping minimize unwanted vibration. The included dust cover is another practical feature. When you're not listening, it helps protect the turntable and its components from dust. The AT LP60X also comes in this stylish gunmetal and black finish, giving it a clean look that fits nicely on a shelf, desk, or entertainment setup. And here's the important part. This isn't designed to compete with expensive audiophile turntables. Instead, its biggest strength is convenience. It's an excellent option for someone who wants to enjoy physical records without dealing with complicated manual setup. Pause. The main limitation is that serious vinyl enthusiasts looking for extensive manual adjustments or high-end upgrade options may eventually want something more advanced. But for beginners, casual listeners, collectors, and anyone returning to vinyl, the AT LP60X GM offers a very easy entry point. Overall, if you're searching for a fully automatic, belt-drive turntable that supports 33 and 45 revolutions per minute records and keeps vinyl playback simple, the Audio-Technica AT LP60X GM is a fantastic place to start. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more product reviews. I'll see you in the next video.